Hey guys, let's see the activity on the editing Word document. In the past video, we discussed the theory on how to edit the Word document. So here in this video, I'm going to have a simple activity. We're going to see how you can simply edit Word document. Now, the following are just few of the things or accessories or parts which you are going to see in editing Word document. The first one is deleting text. This one is the find and replace. The third one is spelling and the grammar checker. The last one is the undo and the redo. So we start with the first one, that is the deleting text. Let's see, for example, we have this Word document. As you can see, we have a simple Word document. So first, you said that deleting a text simply you just have to highlight the text which you want to delete. So for example, I highlight this first line, petroleum refinance process crude oil into many different petroleum products. So I just highlighted this the first line. Now that the first procedure. The second one is the press delete key. So you can simply press delete key on your desk on your keyboard, and the words will be deleted, or you can simply also press backspace in your word in your keyboard. So that's how you can simply delete text in your Word document. The other property we saw is that find and replace. You can simply find it and replace various words in your Word document by simply going here to the home menu, then you click to the find. So you can simply click find there, and this navigation part will appear. So you can simply search for the words which you want to find, and also you can also replace some words which you want to replace in your Word document by clicking there replace. Also you find that word and you can replace it, and it will be replaced. So that's how you can simply find and replace the various words in your Word document. But as you can see here, when I went to find it, there's a simple shortcut which you can use also, Control plus F. Control plus F, here you're going to find the text in the document simply by that shortcut, and also replace, you can click Control plus H. That's how you're going to replace the various texts in your Word document. Let's see spelling and the grammar checker. To say the spelling and grammar checker is used to check out all your Word document to see if there are some errors. Now to see or to activate this spelling and grammar checker, simply go to review part. That's it's the one of the menu in the this Word document. Then you click to the spelling and grammar check. After clicking it, you will have this like a menu appears at your right hand side. Then you can simply see which words are supposed to be collected or ignored, or you can simply even add it to the dictionary. So that's how you can simply spell check your whole Word document. Then the other activity is undo and redo. For example, we had already deleted the various words in your Word document. Now to undo the activity, you can just come here. There is the property where you can undo, and clicking it will undo the activity which you done before. Then and clicking, if you want to redo the activity, you can click there, that redo clear. That's how you're going to redo the activity. Or as you can see here, there are some shortcuts offered. Control plus Z is how you undo, and the Control plus Y is how you are going to redo. So that's all for this video. I hope it's clear, guys. Thank you.